Industrial safety starts with protecting people and catching risks before they become accidents. They cost companies a lot of money. Safety penalties, work stoppages, legal trouble, and brand damage. And yet, safety checking is still manual. People watching screens all day, people get tired, mistakes happen. So the real problem wasn't safety rules, it was making sure that they are followed. And this is where CoReCo Technologies stepped in. Our thinking was simple. Don't start with AI, start with the problem. We ask questions, why does safety checking fail? And how do we fix it in real conditions? So our team studied the site first, camera angles, worker movement, lighting changes, and real site conditions. Because real engineering starts here and not in theory. Then we built an AI monitoring system, made for real workplaces, not test environments. The system watches live camera feeds. It detects people, it detects helmets, and it spots violations instantly. But detection alone wasn't enough. It had to run smoothly all the time and handle large areas. We used modern AI models built for speed and real-time response. The system detects in milliseconds, so alerts happen immediately, not hours later. The result was not just detection, it was automation, less manual checking, lower safety risk, better rule enforcement without hiring more people. And that is where real savings happen. At CoReCo Technologies, we don't just build AI, we build solutions. We study how work happens, we find what slows it down, and we fix it with technology. Our focus is simple: maximum results within real limits, budget, time, and practical deployment. Because technology alone isn't the value, making it work is, running it daily is, and good engineering is. If your operations depend on manual checking, there is probably waste. And if there's waste, there's room to improve. And that is where we help. Building smart systems for real workplaces, not experiments, real solutions. If you too are looking to upgrade your system, do write to us at info@corecotechnologies.com.